Abacha, also known as African salad, is a food that is generally associated with Enugu people. This is the final abacha. I can now add my oil bean. Helen's Corner. Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. In our today's video, you're going to watch me make my abacha in the Ehuru abacha in the Enugu State. Alright, I'm in the village. I came back for the burial, depending on what we're going to eat right now, and it's going to be abacha. And then when I finish this abacha, I know that you guys will be salivating. You'll be licking your That's for those that know how abacha can be delicious. So if you are abroad, I'm so sorry. So sorry for it to happen, you know. So alright, let's get into the video, guys. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell beside it so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. And to my returning subscribers, God bless you all. Thank you. Okay, meet my sweet sister-in-law. Oh, she says she wants to show.
My beautiful wife. Oh, I love you.
Meet my darling. My darling. All right, guys. You see this, my wife, eh? She can cook. Oh my God. As she's fine, her food is also fine. I got water that can cover the abacha completely and I boiled it, and once it's boiled I turn it inside the abacha that was in the bowl I'm holding, then immediately turn it into a sieve so that the water will drain out. And I had to use the motar to collect the hot water there so that I can use it to indirectly purify the motar, because I'm going to be using the motar to pound things that I'm going to be cooking with. Then I turned the hot water out of the motar, then I'm ready to start. Now this is my oil bean, the one I'm going to use to prepare the abacha, and on this plate is my onion, salt, nutmeg and stock cube. Look at it. Yes, that nutmeg is an African nutmeg. It has a specific scent. It's called Ehuru in Igbo. It is used to cook pepper soup and some other African dishes. I use no cube. This ABACHA. ABACHA.
What's the English name?
ABACHA. Oil bean fruits.
Oil bean?
Oil bean. Oil beans. Make you taste. They taste everything. I beg no to stop me here. My roasted fish. I'll add one stock. I'm being economical with the salt because I wouldn't want the salt to be too much. This is my cow head and dry fish. That's what is inside it. The way you mix this abacha matters a lot. Look at the way it is, as if it's sticking to the body of the abacha, as if it's sticky. So if you want to pour hot water in abacha, what you will do is, as you are pouring the hot water immediately inside the abacha, you are removing it immediately. If you don't remove it, the difference is that the abacha is going to stay. That is the little starch that is supposed to help the abacha to come together when you are done with it. Is going to be on its own. Each single strand of the abacha will be on its own, and when you are eating it, even the sound in the teeth, it will just be doing yow yow yow. I don't know if you understand the sound. That is my mother-in-law passing by. Hey. turn the stock together with your oil. When I finish pounding it, I'll get a pinch of salt inside it. Okay. After getting a pinch of salt, I'll get. Guys, I got the top of the oil because I didn't know if the oil was properly made or not. Guys, the oil that is best for abacha is Enugu oil. In fact, the best one is from Moody local government. Those who know, they know. Bam, manu keja kwa abacha toro. So, once you've done that, potash, I soaked it in water. You can also use the one they call ungo. You soak it in water and remove the liquid of it just to give the abacha the yellowish color. So immediately I add it into the oil now. You see the reaction. This is what we want. I also added a little meat stock into it just to get the abacha a beautiful taste. Then the remaining meat and its stock, I took a pot to the fire. I added little oil and then fried the that is cow head and the dry fish together with it. And once I fried it, I've also fried the crayfish along with it because I'm supposed to either roast the crayfish or fry it, so I chose to fry it. I fried the crayfish with the meat stock, everything together, and once it was properly cooked and the taste was beautiful, I brought it down. I kept a pot. This is the pot I use in boiling the meat stock. That's not the pot I use in frying anyway. I kept it here and then I went to collect my abacha and put it inside the pot. Then I turned the stock in the motar into the abacha. All right, you are going to watch it with me. This is it. This is it. Oil. At this point, I already added the cow head, that's the fried stock, which is cow head, crayfish, and also the dry fish I used for the abacha. I added it into it, and roasted fish. I added it into it at this point. Sorry that the video went off, so it could not show when I was doing that. And then I turned the oil bean into the stock pot. There was a little stock remaining there, so that if you want to take the oil bean separately, you can take it separately and add beside, and you still enjoy it alone. And then I added a pinch of salt and pepper just to make sure that the abacha is delicious. You know, my phone memory got filled that day. Before I could delete it, I didn't even know that it was not capturing this the part I missed, the stock, and also the taste test when people, they were actually tasting, my sister-in-law, my father-in-law, mother-in-law. But there is no problem. I just decided to post the abacha vlog, and if you enjoyed this video, please click the like button for me and share to your friends. Bye. Love you guys.